This video shows how you link equipment and equipment nozzles between P&ID and 3D. Linking equipment nozzles is optional. The P&ID we see here has 2 tanks and a pump, and all come with a description and a manufacturer. You can define which of the properties should be copied from P&ID to 3D and should be used for inconsistency check. So how do you actually link the P&ID and the 3D? You make a right click on your pump, select link with 3D object and simply select the pump. We do the same with the 2 other tanks, number 100 and number 200. To link the nozzles, you simply make a right click again on the nozzle and link with 3D. It can happen that you accidentally select the wrong nozzle. Then you see an inconsistency. You can check that and you see, okay, it's probably wrong. So what you do is you unlink that. And now you can relink the nozzle to the correct nozzle. So now it's green. Let's continue with the 2 nozzles of our tanks, number 1 and number 2. Okay. If I select the tank, we see the manufacturer and the description I typed in P&ID. So what happens if I make changes? For example, changing the tag of the pump to 100 and changing the manufacturer for the 2 tanks. So that should be okay. So if I refresh the tree, we see now there are inconsistencies. Of course, you again can make a right click on an inconsistency and say show inconsistencies. But you also can make a right click on show all inconsistencies, and now you see, okay, the tag is different and the manufacturer of the tanks. So making a right click, you can zoom on the object or the 3D object, and then you can start copy from P&ID to 3D or 3D to P&ID. So I copy the information from P&ID to 3D, and now all inconsistencies are gone and our tree shows green again. This is how you link equipment and equipment nozzles.